Good afternoon, boys and girls. Happy Fun Friday. Okay, get your paper out for art, and you can get out a pencil first. I'm going to do mine in black marker, and then you can also get out your markers and crayons, okay? Because we can use both of them. Or if you even want, you could use watercolors if mom and or dad are good with that. Okay, so we're going to start off by putting your paper long ways this way. Okay, see how it's long? Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to make like an oval, like so. Kind of looks like a big egg. Okay, then on the inside here, you're going to make some other weird shapes, and you can just make several of them. Okay, kind of like that. All kinds of different shapes. They're kind of like weird squares. Okay, if you need to stop the video while you do this, go ahead and stop. Okay, now we've got our oval with our funny little shapes here. Now on the side here, I want you to make like that. And another one here. And another one up here. And another one right here. So you have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 on each side. Then you're going to make kind of like a weird little half of a circle almost, like so. Now up here you're going to make this kind of a shape just a little bit bigger. Okay, now right about here I want you to put a big black circle, and then do a circle on the outside of it. Then we're going to add a smiley face. Yeah, you guys figured it out. It's a turtle because our letter of the week is T. Now we're going to add a little bit of detail. So this turtle is swimming under the sea. So we're going to give him some air bubbles coming up here. Okay, just little circles. And then down here, make a big old squiggly line. And this is going to be sand. So you can take your marker afterwards and make little dots. Okay, now if you want to use markers, you may, or you can use crayons, or you could use both. So I might do a little bit of both. So I'm going to color his inside of his shell here with crayon, like that. And then on the outside, I'm thinking I might use marker. But you can do whatever you want. And also your turtle doesn't have to be green. You can make your turtle whatever color you desire. Okay? So I'm going to make his tail with crayon and his feet. And his other foot. Because how many feet does a turtle have? 4. Okay. Now I know you guys all like to use markers, so if you want to use your markers or colored pencils, I am good with that. And even if you wanted to, you could give Mr. Turtle a friend in here, and watch how I do this. You go here and give him some little fishy friends. And give him little eyeballs and a happy smiley face. Oh, I forgot to color this one in. Okay, now when you do your sand down here, you can make little dots in the sand there. So now I'm going to get out my marker. Or what would be fun also is if you did this part in crayon and then try a little experiment and try watercolor over that and see what happens. So then you can do, if you wanted to mix them, then you could do marker here. Okay. So you'd color all that part in. And then down here is sand, so I'm just gonna make that brown all the way through. And then of course our water would be blue, of which I'm doing in crayon. And again, if you want to use watercolors, that would be a really cool effect on there. Okay. And then I have my little fishies. And I'm going to make them fancy fish. So I'm going to make a purple one. And I'm going to make a orange one. And what is something you always have to do to your work? That's right, you have to sign it. So I'm going to sign it right here. Mrs. Nancy. And turtle starts with the letter T. Turtle. Great job, guys.